Hello, Operations Management students, Dr. Z here, and I just wanted to update you about how our class will proceed in the weeks going forward. Based on your spring break poll results, the majority of you want to continue in an asynchronous format, and in that format I will provide pre-recorded narrated PowerPoints, the study guides, and then other supplemental materials for you each week. One thing I am going to do, and you'll see this in our Moodle classroom, I have set up a Zoom classroom link, and I will have virtual office hours available during our normally scheduled class times. So that'd be Tuesday, Thursday from 8:30 to 9:45, and that will begin on this coming Thursday, March the 26th. So if you have questions about anything, I will be available virtually during that time. Of course, you can always email me as well, and I'll be glad to get back to you as soon as I can. Please pay attention to Moodle going forward, as I'm going to have to make some changes to the course calendar, and Moodle's where I'm going to do the updates. So you can see for week 8, when we get back from spring break, I've listed all the things that you need to do, and then also I have posted narrated PowerPoints. I had to do it in 2 sessions because my Screencast-O-Matic, the longest session I can go is 15 minutes. So I broke it up into 2 sessions. I also have a Chapter 9 study guide. Those are the notes that you can download, and you can actually fill in the blank notes just like you would in class as you watch my narrated PowerPoints. One change is, instead of classroom participation, since we're not meeting live, each week you will have a discussion question that you'll need to answer. And you'll post your initial answer to the question by Friday of that week. So in this coming week, it would be March the 27th. And then you also need to post one follow-up response to one of your classmates, and that's due Sunday night at midnight. And the total points for your discussion forum will be 10, and that's what our class participation points were. Assignments and quizzes work the same way. You submit those through Moodle. I've also made available an Exam 2 study guide. Obviously, Exam 2, we won't be taking it in class, but I will be posting an exam in Moodle for you to take. It will be 36 multiple choice questions, and then 4 short answer questions with a 75-minute time limit. So pay attention to the study guide, and then hopefully early next week I'll be able to open up the next week material for you. Just a reminder too, your course papers, your research papers, are still due April the 9th, and the majority of you voted that you would like to present your papers by submitting a recorded presentation, and I would advise that you use either narrated PowerPoint slides, or you could use Screencast-O-Matic, or any other recording modality where you can show a PowerPoint and then also a small video of yourself as you present, and those will be due the same due date that is in the calendar. Again, pay attention to your HU email, to Moodle, and again, I'll be available during our normal class hours if you have questions, and we'll make it through this. It's going to be different. It's going to be a transition for all of us, but hopefully we'll all be patient with one another, and we'll finish out the semester strong. Take care.